Is your Honda CR-V alarm constantly blaring? The most common culprits are the hatch liftgate switch, hood latch, and key fob. Start by visually inspecting the hatch liftgate switch for corrosion or misalignment. This is the most frequent cause. Next, check the hood latch to ensure it's not stuck or broken. Finally, test your key fob by replacing the battery or reprogramming it. Signal interference can also cause issues. Use an OBD2 scanner for DIY diagnostics and consider Honda-specific apps for troubleshooting. If the alarm issues started after aftermarket installations, that may be the cause. For a faulty hatch or liftgate switch, replacement is often necessary and costs between $100 and $300. Consider using a third-party switch to save on costs. If the hood latch is the issue, first try lubrication and realignment. If that doesn't work, replacement will be required. For key fob issues, BCM reprogramming can fix software-related problems. Disconnect the BCM battery for 10 minutes, then pair a new fob. Perform annual sensor checks to prevent future alarm issues. Check online communities like Reddit's r/Honda or Honda CR-V forum for user-shared fixes. Honda issued a recall for 2017-2019 models due to faulty liftgate switches, so verify if your vehicle is affected.